Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about angel numbers. So angel numbers are all around, we always see them, and these are repetitive numbers basically that you see. You see one number repetitively, it's coming back to you in the form of maybe numbers on the watch, numbers on houses, numbers on number plates of cars or anything, but any repetitive numbers. So until now I didn't have my download on it, and because I didn't have my download on it and I was also seeing numbers, I was trying to get information about it from various YouTube videos or other things, and whatever I kind of found was that when you get these numbers, it means that universe or angels or guides are around you, and you just have to say thank you and move on, right? But today, yesterday to today, I got my download, and finally my guides kind of gave me a download on what these numbers mean and what number means what message for you. And this is definitely not only like you just say thank you and you move on. There are messages in every number for you, and today I'm going to share those messages with you. While I'm doing that, I'm going to keep shuffling my cards because I know you guys are all including me, we all are desperate to connect with Sushant and find our answers. And Sushant right now is saying no, he doesn't want to share anything, but you never know when he's ready, because that happens to me multiple times when I'm doing a video and suddenly he wants to connect. So that's why I will keep shuffling the cards, because anytime when he wants to connect, he can actually give us Queen of Wands or Hierophant, and I will know it's time for him to give the message, and I share the message with you guys. So what are the angel numbers? I told you angel numbers basically when numbers repeat themselves. So when you see repetitive numbers, it's angel numbers basically. When do you see them and what it means? So we'll start with number 1, what number 1 means, to number 10. We'll cover all the numbers. I will read in between from my diary, because when I was receiving the download, it was so much that I had to kind of write down everything. So because I didn't want to miss anything. So number 1, when you get number 1, basically it means that it is the time that where the angels and guides are present with you. The energies have started coming to you, and it is the time for a beginning. It's a time for you to begin, and it's a time for you to begin your spiritual journey. And when you have to begin your spiritual journey, and if you're seeing 111 11 11 11 in any form, if you're seeing one number multiple times, means begin your spiritual journey, or your spiritual journey has begun. What you should do to do that, meditations, very good form. If you don't have time for meditations, you can watch the video on my channel where you can kind of practice meditations without putting any extra time in them. So meditations, and you can start your journey to kind of connect with the spiritual or divine. So that's the message, that spirituality or your spiritual guides and angels are around you. They want you to begin the journey. Number 2, when you see 2 number multiple times and in sequence, that means that it's time when you realize that your body is important to you, your soul is important to you. You start recognizing yourself as 2, and you start practicing self-love. When you start practicing self-love, you will also start feeling universal love. And I can assure you, universal love, if you feel that once, there will be nothing that is equivalent to it. Like we say that a mother-child love is the best form of love. Universal love is way beyond that. I've experienced that feeling is like there is no word for that feeling, okay? And that's the time that is where you reach when you start practicing self-love. So this basically means that start practicing self-love, start connecting with your guides and receiving messages. But basically that will only start once you start loving yourself and start loving the universe, the world, the people around you, relationship, everything about yourself and your life, accepting yourself basically. So any form of life that you are in, or any shape or form that you are in, you'll have to start loving yourself if you're seeing number 2 over and over again. Number 3 means that you are not alone now there is a divine soul that is around you, there is a guide that is around you. And when there is a guide that is around you, it means that you can hear, you can listen to the soul, you can either see the souls, or you can connect with the souls or angels in any form. You can feel them, you can listen to them, or you can kind of see them. But that means that you will have to keep on working towards it. You'll have to keep improving yourself. You'll have to keep working on yourself to improve that connection that you are establishing with the divine or the soul. But definitely divine and soul are around you if you are seeing number 3 continuously. So increase your meditations, because that will help you. Being in silence or increasing your meditations will help you listen to that voice, because it's like at times it's just a thought in your mind, or it's just a whisper in your ear. So if you are continuously talking or doing your activities and everything and not taking any time out, then you'll not be able to listen to that. Number 3 means time to kind of take some time out to listen to it. Number 4, if you're seeing continuously, it means open to change. So if you're seeing number 4 continuously, and in the meantime what is happening is that there is any offer, anything that you're wanting but it is not happening, anything that is continuously being rejected for you, or anything where you're continuously feeling stuck. Number 4 means that this is not your path. Your path is going to come for you, and it is time to accept. So if there is any offer, anything that you're not accepting, anything that you're thinking that it's not for me, I don't want it, I don't want to go to that path, number 4 means that that's your path. It's a new foundation for you. Start working towards it, start walking towards it, start taking it, and leave the past behind. Number 4 also means there are big changes that are coming in your life, and it's time where you actually take some rest. It is time where you take care of your physical health. It is time where you meditate more. It's time when you become ready for this big shift or changes that are coming ahead in your life. That's number 4. When we talk about number 5, when you see number 5 continuously, means that the big shift has come. Now the shift has begun, and when the shift begin, what will happen is some people will leave your life, some situations will leave you. You might kind of feel a financial crunch, you might feel some loss, there could be fights, but know that it's all blessing in disguise, because things will start moving now, things will start changing big time now, and that is why you don't have to indulge in any of the fights. You not have to think about losses. You'll only have to find out blessings in it. It means that continuously count your blessings. Focus on counting your blessings, and the more you count your blessings, the more blessings you will have. There will be opportunity in every loss that you are suffering. And if number 5 is coming to you again and again, and there are changes that are happening in your life, or you're undergoing some problems, it means that it is happening for a purpose. It's not without a purpose. Please keep following that, and please keep moving ahead, counting your blessings. You need to practice thank you exercise or gratitude like every day of your life when you see number 5 multiple times. Number 6 means that it's time for healings. It's time when you leave the past behind. It's time when you be ready for moving forward, when you become ready for rewards and recognitions. It's also time when you let go of what others are thinking of you. It's also time when the gifts from the universe like love, money, important things will start flowing to you. It's a time when you start recognizing the shifts that are happening in your life. It's time when you start connecting with your inner self, your inner child, your intuition. So number 6 means that heal your inner child, be ready for rewards and recognitions. Know that what is in your life is what you deserve, and you can actually share it with all. Number 6 is about sharing your wealth, sharing the resources that you have. And number 5 means that things from past might come up to just have a healing. Number 6, I'm sorry. So after number 6, if you are seeing number 7 multiple times means now what has happened is that you've become very close to going for your final exams. And whenever we go for our final exams, there is a pre-test that happens before that, right? So it's a pre-test before your final exams, and number 7 means that exam time. Number 7 means that it is time when you take your stand. It's time when you don't fall down. It's time when you don't give up. It's time when you have patience. It's time when you continue working on yourself. It's time when you actually don't worry about the odd moments, or it's time when things from past are healing, so you don't have to be worried about it, or you don't have to be thinking about it. It's time when you move back and think what are the things that you've done which were not correct, or which you can actually still correct, and correct them. Number 7 is basically number when it says that it is time when you actually let go of greed. So what will happen with number 7 if you are seeing number 7 multiple times? And I'm sorry, I've said number 5 multiple times. In 6 and 7 also, probably some shift is happening in my life also, where I'm kind of seeing saying number 5 over and over again. But number 7 basically means that when you are ready to go on to your spiritual journey, when you are about ready to kind of complete your spiritual journey, what will happen is your mind will start tricking you. It will start tricking you. It will start giving you some greeds, some things that will feel lured around about, or if it will try to basically lure you in a particular way, in any shape or form. It will try to make you feel deception. It will try to make you feel that you're not able to prioritize. So it will try to pull you backwards, and that's number 7. So if you see number 7 over and over again, and there are circumstances that are happening in your life, means that don't go backwards. Don't let your mind pull you back. Prioritize. Know that you can move ahead. Stand your ground. Standing your ground and having patience is the key message with number 7 if you see it repetitively. Number 8. Number 8 is fast changes. Number 8 means that it is time where your life is going to move very fast. It's time where you will probably feel stuck even more, or probably you will feel that you're not able to see what is happening. The shifts are so quick that you're not able to kind of figure out also what is happening. If you get number 7, means that it is time when you work on yourself a little more. It is time when you let go of the past. If you are holding on to any of the thoughts, any of the emotions, any of people, anything very strongly, it's time when you let go. So if you're seeing number 8 continuously, means that let go. See what is it that you're holding on to in your life. See what is it that you're holding on to in your emotions, and let go of all of that and be ready for new beginnings. That is number 8. When you get number 9, it means that it is almost the final step. You're very close to final step. You are very close to completion, and that is why it is important not to give up now. If you are feeling or undergoing kind of problems, you might face sleeplessness, you might be facing like dreams or fears, and you might be thinking that no, I don't want to go on this path, like I can't, I'm scared, I don't know where I'm going, and you're seeing number 9 over and over again, means that you're ready for it. You know where you're going. Don't worry. Don't let your mind trick you. Keep on working on yourself. Stand your ground. Take those final steps. Move towards progress, and you will start seeing slow progress in your life. You'll start seeing growth in your life. You'll also start experiencing that whatever you wish for, it becomes true. And when that happens, or you'll also feel that whatever you've wished for has come true slowly and gradually. So something you wished for years ago kind of happened now, and so that is the time when you'll have to be more careful with what you are saying, because universe does not understand no. So if you're saying something continuously that I don't want this, I don't want that, you are actually calling all of that in your life. So don't call off all those things into your life, and be very careful about what you wish for. You'll also feel empathy, and you'll feel empathy and love, and you will start making wishes for the whole world altogether, and that will be the kind of thing that you will feel. I will make a video on empaths very soon. I've made one on light workers, but I'll make a video on empaths very soon. I remember your requests. I'm getting my download on it quite a bit. I've already gotten, so I'll make the video on it. So you will see the universal flow. Number 10 is completion. Number 10 is that you are ready for a new beginning. So if you're holding on to anything in your life very tightly, you're not ready to end it. Any situation, anything, you're not ready to end it. It's number 10. If you see, it means that let it end, because this ending is going to bring new beginning in your life. Number 10 is when the new sun rises. Number 10 is, usually you will not see number 10 so much because it's like completion. So you're very close to completing your journey of spirituality, and you are very close to awakening. But if you're seeing it, means that now you're ready. Let this new sun rise. You'll feel it's time where you share your gifts of love and wealth with the whole universe, with the whole world at least. It is time when you realize that how important it is to share love with not only like people, but also animals, trees. You'll feel for everything and everyone, and it's time when you start doing that. It's time when you start sharing your affection. It's time when you start sharing your life. It's time when you spread your light in the world. It's time when the whole world feels like family, and you're ready for it, and you should start doing it. So that's what these numbers mean when you see these numbers time and time again. And I'm seeing death card over and over again. So I know what it means, but until I'm allowed to, I cannot share it with you. But so these are number 1 to 10, and I hope that this helps you find meanings in the numbers that you're seeing repetitively. Figure out what your learning is, what the guides and angels are actually telling you through these numbers, and then accordingly apply those things in your life so that you bring in those beautiful changes in your life. I will also request you, because there is a mass awakening that is happening 2020 to 2030. Everyone must be seeing it, lot of people must be seeing it, but they will not know what it is, and they'll not know who to ask and what to do. So I will request you to share this video with everyone that you can, on your social media, on your phone groups, and let everyone know that if they are seeing numbers, this is what they mean, and this is how they can actually figure out their learnings from it, and they can move ahead with this. I hope this helps you. 10, we are close to completion, and subscribe the channel if you can. I will see you with the next video, and like I said, I will keep looking at if he wants to share anything, and I will make the video soon. All right, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.